All right, what's up guys? The sun just came up enough where I can start filming, so I guess I might as well film an intro before we get on any fish. It's absolutely gorgeous outside today also. Calm, flat waters, gorgeous sunrise, and hopefully some nice fish. I'm gonna be using the Voodoo mullet and shrimp and maybe some topwater and see what I can get onto today. And it is freezing. It's like 55 degrees and walked through a bunch of mud and water, so my feet are frozen off. But a fish will make my feet warm, so we're gonna try to get on some fish. We'll be back when we're on them. Later, dudes. All right, guys, we're about to throw the first cast. It's actually super shallow in some of these parts. Like if you go too far to any side, you're gonna get stuck. But at least when it's like that, any movement from these redfish will most likely see it. I see some fins out of the water over here. Don't know what it is. Oh, I didn't get even near it. There we go. I missed them. Whatever it is still there, I just don't know what it is. I don't even know if it's predatory. Oh, whoa. That's a red. God dang. Why didn't he go for the lure? He got scared of a shrimp? Alright, I've been seeing some stuff moving in this grass over here. Don't know exactly what it is. Don't even know if I can catch it. But it's in the grass kind of, and I've seen it kind of pop on some probably like little micro shrimp. I think I gotta pass him like that. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, my drag wasn't tight. No, look at that. That's a red. His whole back's out of the water. There he is. See if I can get it right in front of his face. There we go. There we go. Heck yeah. Sight casting for reds, boys. That's a big one. That's a big one. Heck yeah. Sight casting for him. Heck yeah, that's a big fish. Let's sit back down so I can get the net. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but he's pulling out drag like crazy. And this is probably the tightest I've ever had my drag. Oh, by the way, I got a new rod. St. Croix Moho bass rod. Woo-hoo-hoo. God, this is a nice fish. Saw the kayak. Oh no, he's big. He's big. Oh my goodness. Or I can't tell. I just can't. There we go. Oh yeah, he's big. He's big. Oh. Oh yeah. He's heavy. Oh yeah, guys, look at that. That's a nice fish right there. That's a nice fish. Let's get him measured. Oh, he's not even that big. He's just chunky. All right. He's a little bit before 28. Check it out, guys. Another 28-inch red. I just got mud all over his tail. That's how shallow this water is. I just dipped him in there and he got mud. But we're gonna let this guy go. I actually want to keep some fish today, but I don't want fish this big. I'll probably keep like a 24 to 26, hopefully, if I can catch one, and that'll probably be all I keep. But yeah, check him out. Fighter, beautiful fish, fat fish. See you later, buddy. Oh, swim. There he goes. Dang. Good redfish. Let's catch some more. Up over there. Oh, that might be him. Oh, I scared him. There he goes. Okay, guys, just changed out my battery on the GoPro, and I see a fish. I see some fish fins sticking out of the water over here. Don't know what they are. I'm gonna throw right at it though. I landed right behind it. There we go. Gotcha, buddy. Oh, he's fast. There he goes. I think this might be our eater, boys. This might be our eater. Where are you at, buddy? I can barely see. Hey, stop pulling on all that line. Okay, come here, come here. Smaller reds anymore. Oh yeah, I think this is a good keeper. Oh, I forgot to close my hatch. Let's close that up before I get water on everything that's not supposed to get water on it. This guy. Nice little redfish. Let's see what he measures. Straighten out, buddy. Fish fin 21. I don't want to keep you. We're gonna go for our 24 to 26, like we were saying. I'll catch you later, dude. Good fight. He's still there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's get him in here. Oh. Took us a couple times, but we got him. This one might be our eater, guys. There we go. Oh, there we go. I think this is our eaters, boys. Oh yeah, I think that's our eaters, guys. Yep, it's almost 23. We're gonna take him home. Oh, he's right there. There we go. There we go. Oh, he got off. Look, there's that wake. Is it a mullet? Kind of looks like a redfish. That's gotta be, that is a redfish. Dead straight on, right in front of him, right there. Oh, easy on it. There we go. Oh, Woo. Target spotted, and then you get the redfish on there. Heck yeah, guys. Let's get him on this side. Oh, where you going, buddy? There we go. Hey, buddy. Heck yeah. There we go. That's a freaking chunky guy. He's not that long though. Oh, 20, 23, just like that one. Dang, do I want to keep 2 fish? He's like 22 3/4 actually, not even 23. That's because he's bent. All right, we'll keep him. You convinced me. This is the last fish though, because I do not feel like cleaning that many fish. Throw it one more time in there. It probably spooked him if he didn't get it that time. I know they're still here. Oh, look, yeah, he's right there. He doesn't look that big. There we go. There we go. This is amazing. Whoa. Strong guy. Give my rod back, dude. Give my rod back. You inhaled that lure, didn't you? Another picture for Instagram. Eat it nice. Look at that guy. Some hefty. Alright, some nice guys. I gave him that extra fish that I caught. Alright, now all the rest, getting released. Just gotta get to them. Oh shit, there's a red right there. Right next to me. Got it. There we go! Yo! Oh! He was right next to me! What are you doing, guy? Come on, come on, come on. There we go. And we got another fish, guys. Look how fat this fish is, dude. What are you doing? Oh, I see something right there. I'm gonna run into him. we go. Right next to the kayak. What are you doing, guys? Smaller. Probably the smallest one of the day, honestly. Nice little fatty. I don't even know if he's keeper size, but it don't matter. We're letting him go either way. Later, dude. Am I on? There we go. Got one. Got one. There we go. I probably got the smallest one out of it. Look, they're still right in front of me. I need to get this guy off already. Oh, there we go. That's fine. He wasn't that big. Oh, there they are, there they are, there they are. God, those wakes they put behind them and they move anywhere. It's just insane because they're so big. Oh, there we go. There we go. He's not that big. Unless it's something else, maybe a flounder? Oh yeah! Big old flounder boy. There we go, come here. Yeah, they're always so insane. I really want to keep a flounder today. Alright, the lure came right out. Alright, later dude. Ooh, there we go. That's a big fish. Oh no, I think it's a normal one. Get away, grass, get away. Jeez. Oh my gosh. That made me lose him. Oh well, it wasn't that big. Look at them big boys. I gotta get closer to the grass line, man. But there's a lot of problems when you get right up here next to it. Oh, there's a fish. There we go. Pull me that way. Don't pull me this way. Yeah, pull me that way, fish. Yep, we're in the grass. We're gonna stick here. He's not that big. I don't know how he hasn't spit that yet. There we go. Ooh, that's a heavy one. Oh, another unit of a redfish, man. We got 4 spots. 4 spotted redfish. I'll catch you later, bud. Oh, thanks. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it a day, guys. We caught our 2 redfish. Gonna take them home and fillet them. We caught multiple fish sight casting for the first time because that was awesome. And I can't wait to get out here again, guys. It'll probably be another week, but I'll definitely catch some fish, hopefully. Definitely, hopefully. Stay tuned, guys. And like always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Follow me on Instagram at Hilltop Fishing. And yeah, see you later, guys.